Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Onedaysaving. They reached out to me and asked if I would do an unboxing for their product. And they are right now having a Black Friday sale that is good until November 30th. They have two different promotions and then one thing that goes on all the time. Their first promotion, you get $10 off if you use the discount code that I will have in the description. And promotion 2, if you spend over $39, you get $3 off. Over $79 is $6. Over $99 is $10, and over $199 you save $30. And both of these can be used together. And then what they have all the time is that they offer 2 free gifts for purchases over $50. And those can be combined with the first 2 promotions up until the 30th. So I will have all of their information down below. I will have the link to the item as well as to their website in the description box. The discount code will be there. Everything will be there. And I believe some of the information about the promotions. I'm not quite sure about that though. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I got. I really like doing cross stitch. I have done cross stitch for years. I've been getting back into it lately, and so when they reached out to me to pick a product, I decided I was going to definitely pick a cross stitch. And I am super excited about this one. I had to get it as soon as I saw it. I stopped looking as soon as I saw this one. So we have our little pack of thread. So I will go ahead and take that out. And I love how the thread comes whenever it's all in these big chunks like this. I just love it. They're so soft. But the numbers are all in DMC because that is the type of thread that is used. It is embroidery thread, I think is what it's called. But you get all of your threads separated by number, which correlates to one of the symbols on the diagram. So as you can see, there are 35 colors on here, so quite a lot. And you get your little instruction sheet. It's just one-sided. It's pretty easy. You also get your little kit, and I'm assuming this is a thread puller. I'm not 100% sure because I don't really use one. You get a, what is that thing called? You get one of those for your finger. And then you have several needles in here. It looks like 5. Yeah, 5 needles in the little pom-pom. So that's good. You have plenty of needles just in case you lose them, or just in case you want to do more than one color at a time. I don't do that. I don't know that my brain could handle keeping track of more than one color, but if you are used to doing cross stitch and that's the way you do it, then you have plenty of needles. So here we have the diagram, the legend per se. You can look at it, but it is printed on the canvas. This one in particular is printed on the canvas, so it's not that difficult to follow. You have all of your numbers over here and the symbols that they are on your diagram. So quite a lot of symbols to keep track of. But with it being printed on the canvas, it's a lot easier to figure out what goes where. I actually have been enjoying the stamped on images over just doing it by counting. So I've actually been enjoying it this way. It is less stressful, I guess. And this, let me show you, is what it is. It is a dragon. I know it's kind of hard to tell with the face there, but, or right there. Yeah, okay. So it's looking, I think it's looking down, but I can't tell. No, it's looking to the side. It looks like a face right there, but anyway, it's a little hard to tell on here. But I was super excited when I saw that one and knew I had to get this one. And it is a 40 by 40. It is 11 count. So what that means, if you are not a cross stitcher, when it says 11 count or 14 count, it's talking about how many squares are in the box. So if you count, it's supposed to be, let's see, let me count it. Okay, I am counting only 10. So I don't know why, but I'm only counting 10, unless I am just, no, I'm counting 10. It's an 11 count. Maybe it's because of the lines. Maybe that's taking another count. I don't know exactly, but it's supposed to be that it's how many stitches are across the box, if that makes sense. So you can get pretty much any amount, but the larger the number of stitches, the more detailed it's going to be, kind of like a diamond painting. The bigger the picture, the more detailed it's going to be, less pixelated. It's the same with cross stitch. The more stitches you have, the more detailed it will be. So, but I was super excited. I cannot wait to do this one. I don't know what I'm going to do. I think, let me check. Yeah, okay. Never mind. I was wondering what I was going to do about these numbers, but then I just realized that is a number. So yeah, that is probably the white, or cream, because that's not the white color, but probably cream. So yeah, this whole area will get filled in with stitches. So it is a very big project, and it will take me quite a while, but I enjoy doing it at night when I am relaxing, watching TV, anything like that. I like to work on cross stitch. I have a few other projects that are going on right now. So yeah, but like I said, I will have all of the information down below in the description box. I will have all of the links, the coupon codes, everything, so that you guys can go check them out and take advantage of their Black Friday sale, which ends on the 30th. So you have a few days to get any orders in that you want to take advantage of the sale. So that is it for this video. If you guys like this type of content, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That is it for this video, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.